you looking for a government teaching job in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Do you want to become a PST, CT, TT, AT, PET, DM, or Qari in 2025? If yes, then this video is for you. Stay with us till the end as we break down the syllabus, paper pattern, and preparation tips for the ETEA test. Segment 1. Introduction to ETEA Teaching Jobs 2025. Every year, the Educational Testing and Evaluation Agency, ETEA, conducts recruitment tests for teaching posts in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Thousands of candidates apply, but only those with the right preparation succeed. The key to passing? Understanding the syllabus and smart preparation. Segment 2. Syllabus breakdown for each post. Syllabus distribution for primary school teacher, PST, BPS 12. English 25%. Mathematics 25%. General science 25%. Social studies 15%. Pedagogy 10%. Syllabus distribution for certified teacher, court, BPS 15. English 25%. Mathematics 25%. General science 25%. Social studies 15%. Pedagogy 10%. Syllabus distribution for theology teacher, TT, BPS 15. English 15%. Urdu 15%. Pakistan studies 15%. Mathematics 15%. Islamiyat 30%. Pedagogy 10%. Syllabus distribution for Arabic teacher, at BPS 15. English 15%. Urdu 15%. Pakistan studies 15%. Mathematics 15%. Arabic 30%. Pedagogy 10%. Syllabus distribution for physical education teacher, PET, BPS 15. English 20%. Mathematics 20%. General science 20%. Physical education 30%. Pedagogy 10%. Syllabus distribution for drawing master, DM, BPS 15. English 20%. Mathematics 20%. General science 20%. Fine arts, drawing 30%. Pedagogy 10%. Syllabus distribution for Qari, Qaria, BPS 12. English 15%. Urdu 15%. Pakistan studies 15%. Mathematics 15%. Tajveed, Hifz, Islamiyat 30%. Pedagogy 10%. Segment 3. How to prepare for the ETEA test. Step 1. Understand the syllabus and weightage. Step 2. Use recommended books and past papers. Step 3. Practice MCQs regularly. Step 4. Focus on time management during the test. Step 5. Stay updated with ETEA announcements. Segment 4. Important announcements. Application start date, February 10, 2025. Application deadline, March 10, 2025. ETEA test date, expected month April 2025. Please note that the specific test dates will be announced after the application period concludes. It's essential to regularly check the official ETEA website for updates and further information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Test Preparation Zone. Hit the bell icon for more updates on government jobs, test preparation, and study materials. Drop a comment below and let us know which post you are applying for. Good luck with your exam.